a journey of technology, training, and trust. We recently welcomed our partner from Afghanistan to our state-of-the-art training center in China, greeting them with warm hospitality. His mission to master the RedShift Laser, 3-in-1 welding, cutting, and cleaning machine. Equipped with a fully localized in-the-shoe line, the interface is simple and intuitive. First up, the cleaning process. He witnessed the incredible power of laser cleaning, instantly dissolving thick crust and coatings without damage to the metal base. This technology restores metals to their pristine state. True mastery comes from understanding every detail. Our expert engineers provide comprehensive hands-on training, covering everything from power connection and multimeter testing to precise gun alignment. Then came the hands-on welding practice. Under close supervision, he quickly learned how to handle the gun and control the speed. He achieved flawless, strong welds on stainless steel. The hard work paid out. He successfully completed his training project with high-quality results. This demonstrated complete independence in operating the machine. He returned to Afghanistan, fully satisfied and confident. RedShift Laser is proud to empower our clients worldwide. Thank you for your trust, and here's to your business growth.